Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a curry chicken burrito. Now you know when you have kids, you kind of have to spice things up in the kitchen to keep them engaged and all that. So I figured I'll do a burrito. And for this recipe, I have flour tortillas, my better pack curry powder. Here I have some chicken breast so it will cook quicker. One scotch bonnet pepper. I have some pimento peppers here, some bell peppers, one large carrot, garlic and onion, my green seasoning back here, turmeric powder, sazon, black pepper, sea salt, and my chicken seasoning. Let's get started. Also here I have a few sprigs of thyme and I have some parsley. Okay, so I'm gonna start by seasoning up the chicken. I'm putting in my chicken seasoning. Now, as it is chicken breast, I am not gonna let it marinate because there's no bone. I'm going in with my sea salt, black pepper, my sazon. It's one of my favorite seasonings, sazon. My turmeric powder, and I'm gonna go in with some of my green seasoning, just about 1 teaspoon. So in my large skillet, I put in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then I put in my curry powder. Now I'm just gonna move this around just for the burning process. As you can see here. So I'm gonna do this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And next I'm gonna put in my onions and I'm just gonna saute it up a bit. I'm gonna do this for about a minute or 2. Next I'm going in with my garlic and I'm going to saute it for about a minute or 2 as well. Now here comes the good part. I'm gonna be going in with my chicken breast. Pretty much gonna be just moving it around. So my meat has begun to get that curry coloring. So I'm just gonna be adding a few sprigs of thyme, followed by some pimento peppers. Now pimento peppers is also known as seasoning peppers. They don't have any heat, but they have flavor. Now I'm going to be going in with my yellow and red bell peppers, followed by my carrots. Now I had these soaking in some water with some white vinegar just to prevent oxidization, and then I rinsed them out right before I added them to the chicken. Next, I'm going to be going in with 1 large potato that I diced up small. And I used the russet type of potato. Now it is best for baking needs. So I deleted the clip by mistake where I added the water. Now I added in 2 cups of water and 1 scotch bonnet pepper. And here you can see it is bubbling and it's looking so thick. Just how I want my gravy. I do not want a watery gravy, especially as I'm making a burrito, because I do not want it to be seeping through. No, nobody wants a watery burrito. Okay guys, so my curry chicken is now ready. As it is chicken breast, it does not take a long time to be ready because there are no bones. And I'm gonna start putting my burrito together.